Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn a Google form into a QR code. A QR code makes it easy for people to access your Google form quickly by simply scanning it with their phone's camera. This is useful for event registration, surveys, and feedback forms. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on Google form into a QR code step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to copy the Google Forms link. And to do that, just open forms.google.com and then go to workspace.google.com and make sure you sign in using your Google account's credentials. Now, once you sign in, go and open the form you want to generate the QR code from. For example, I'm going to choose this one. After making sure you publish the form, click on the share icon here next to the publish icon button and click on it. And make sure to change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link and copy the responders link. Now once you click on the copy the responders link button, the link for your form will be copied to your clipboard. Now the second step is to use a QR code generator. And to do that, just go to a free QR code generator like QR Code Monkey or QR Code Generator. And here, paste your Google Forms link. Once you pass it, a QR code will be generated. And click on Generate or download GPG. Now you're gonna have to sign up with your Google account, so just use your account and sign in using your account. And once you log in, you're gonna be able to download the QR code image. As for the third step, after downloading and sharing the code, print it, add it to posters or share it on websites and social media. And that's it for today's tutorial. Tuning a Google form into a QR code allows quick and easy access. People can scan it with their phones and fill out form instantly, making it perfect for events, business forms, and public surveys. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.